Global trade has always depended on ships, ports, and paperwork. But today, from artificial intelligence to digital platforms, technology is silently reshaping how the world buys and sells goods. In the past, international trade was slow and complex. Businesses relied on physical documents, manual inspections, and long approval processes. Today, digital systems have replaced much of this bureaucracy. Electronic customs declarations and automated clearance systems now allow goods to cross borders faster and with greater transparency. What once took weeks can now take hours. Technology has lowered barriers for small businesses. A company in a developing country can now reach customers worldwide without opening offices abroad. Artificial intelligence helps traders predict demand, reduce costs, and choose the most efficient shipping routes. Trade is no longer based on guesswork, it is based on data. Logistics companies use smart systems to save fuel, avoid delays, and manage inventory. Their decision is guided by real-time information. Trust is one of the biggest challenges in global trade. Blockchain technology creates secure and transparent records that prevent fraud and ensure authenticity. From food to medicine, technology now allows buyers to track products from factory to store, ensuring safety and quality. E-commerce has turned global trade into a consumer-driven system. Anyone can buy products from another country with just a few clicks. Digital wallets and online banking have made international payments faster and cheaper than ever before. Modern supply chains are monitored in real time. Companies can track shipments and respond quickly to disruptions. A disruption alert triggers an immediate response, rerouting shipments to minimize delays. During pandemics and political tensions, technology has helped trade continue even when borders were partially closed. However, not every country benefits equally. Many developing nations still lack digital infrastructure, creating inequality in global trade. As trade becomes digital, cybersecurity becomes critical. Hacking and data theft now pose serious threats. The future of trade will depend on artificial intelligence, smart sensors, and digital currencies. The most successful countries will be those with strong digital ecosystems. Global trade success is no longer driven only by ships and factories. It is driven by data, networks, and digital trust. Technology is now the silent engine behind every successful trade deal. Those who embrace technology will lead the future of global commerce. Those who ignore it risk being left behind.